I had a high school agri teacher named Mr. Morse, and before him I never picked up a welding rod before in my life. But he didn't just say, hey, go weld these two pieces together. He took his time and taught me the proper techniques and stuff. And good enough where I got me a welding job at a local mom and pop welding shop there in town. And come to my senior year, Mr. Morse come to me and asked me, what's your plans after high school? And I hadn't given it much thought, and he knew I hadn't given it any thought. He already done the legwork for me, so once I graduated Tulsa Welding School, I moved straight to Chicago, started welding. But I had my high school sweetheart back home. And I got to thinking, man, I want to marry that girl one day. So I headed back home, got a 2-year degree at Black River Technical College. Well, I'm still thinking about, I don't know what I want to do long term. So I was researching, looking around, and looked for mechanical engineering. I went to ASU, talked to one of the professors about mechanical engineering, and I loved everything. It was so easy coming from Black River Technical College to start ASU. It was a very easy transition, so I was very thankful for that. And still, I worked all through ASU. A couple years later, I graduated debt-free, and I had a job lined up with Nucor Steel, Arkansas. ASU is kind of a smaller program in the mechanical engineering, so the teachers got more one-on-one with you to be able to help you more so. Man, just go talk to an advisor. I mean, they made it very easy to transfer. I don't remember having any headaches or any problems at all coming from Black River Technical College to ASU. It's very seamless.